Hello friends, I am Charvi. Welcome to my channel Butterfly Junior Coder. Today we will learn about how to create a mobile app in simple way. We all know that the corona outbreak has become a sensitive topic. That's why I have created a mobile app related to corona. As we all know, to fight against corona, what kind of precautions we need to take? We must do Yoga Asanas like Pranayama, Surya Namaskar, Kapalbhati, etc. to boost immunity power. I have already created this mobile app. Let me show you. See, this is Corona app which I have already created. From drop down list, we will select Yoga and then click here. Now this is the introduction about Surya Namaskar. Then all Surya Namaskar poses are there. Now the benefits of Surya Namaskar and then home means this is a main screen. Now we will select precautions and then click here, next, then previous, next and home. Again this is a main screen. So let's start to create this app. Now this is code.org page. First we have to click on create and then app lab. It will open this window. Here you will find three sections. First is output area. Look, it is looking like a mobile screen. That's why the app is called mobile app. Middle section is called as toolbox. Here different tools are available to create an app. And the third is workspace. Here you can write code to build app or simply known as input area. Now, whenever you want to create an app, there are 4 steps to create app. First is problem. We must find out the problem for which we are going to create an app. Second is design, means we have to design our app according to our need. Third is code. That is, we have to write the code for a problem. And fourth is run the app. Means once you complete coding part, we need to execute it to display output. So let us make our app Corona app. Now this is problem. So what is second step? Obviously design. Let us take here main screen. Now one button, then drop down, image and text. Now this is then we can change the background from this. Like we will take cherry vanilla. Now let us choose image. Then upload file. Now we will choose image as this and choose. Then we will take here cover. In option, we will take first option as yoga and second option as precautions. Okay. Now button we will take it as click here. Now in text I have already downloaded some text like copy and paste. Let us take font size as 18. Okay. Now let's make this image bigger. So our main screen designing is over. Let's add new screen and name that screen as Yoga. Let us take here text, 2 buttons and image. First choose the image and choose. Then cover and make the image bigger. Now let's take text and paste. "18" Okay. Here should be previous and here should be next. Next. Now one more screen we will add and name that screen as Yoga 1. Take text, then image. So first we will take text. And paste. "18" Okay. Now let us choose image. This one. Choose. Cover. Yes. And now add buttons. So this button should be nothing. This button should be previous. So previous. And here we will upload the picture. Home. Choose. This page design is also over. Let's take one more new screen and name that screen as Precautions. Then one button. Next. And one more button, that is previous. Let's choose one image over here. This one. And choose. Then cover and make this image bigger. Let us add one more new screen, and name this screen as Pre1, means precautions 1. Take here 2 buttons, then text and one image. Let us choose image as this one and choose. Then cover. This button should be previous and this button as this home. Now this text we will take copy and paste. Font size should be 18. Okay, let's make the image bigger. Now our full design is ready. Let's go to code. Means our third step. So let us take on event. Now your main screen when button 2 is clicked. So when button 2 is clicked, here should be where hobby is equals to get text from drop down 1. Then if maths is equals to where hobby is equals to yoga, then set screen to yoga. Okay, then set screen to yoga. Let's take on event and set screen. Now previous, you can see the ID as button 3. So take here button 3 and what is this? Button 4. So let us take here button 4. So when button 3 is clicked, set screen to main screen, and when button 4 is clicked, set screen to yoga 1. Now yoga 1. So on event and set screen. When button 5 is clicked, and when button 6 is clicked. So when button 5 is clicked, set screen to yoga, and when button 6 is clicked, set screen to main screen. Now let's take precautions. So what we have done here, like that only we have to done here, but instead of yoga we have to write here precautions. So let's so here should be where hobby is equals to get text from drop down one. Then control if max is equal to where hobby is equals to precautions, then set screen to precautions. So again, on event, set screen. So when button 8 is clicked and when button 7 is clicked, when button 8 is clicked, set screen to main screen, and when button 7 is clicked, set screen to pre1. Now let's take pre1 and then again on event, then set screen. When button 9 is clicked, so when button 9 is clicked and when button 10 is clicked, set screen to precautions, and here set screen to main screen. Now we have completed till main screen, but here one ID is missing, that is this button to ID. Now let us check whether the app is working or not. That is the fourth step. Okay. Now yoga, click next, previous and home. So yoga, all buttons are working. Now in precautions, let's see previous, next, previous, home. So it is working. In this way, we can add multiple screens as I showed you at the beginning of the video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Till then, bye. Thank you. Stay home, stay